95% of small and mid-sized advertisers are not optimizing their ad accounts the right way. In enterprise, still 80% get it wrong. And if you've been told just spend more, 9 times out of 10, that's actually the wrong first step. If nothing changes, your acquisition costs are going to keep going up and your profitability is going to drop. There's 2 big reasons why. First, inside of the ad platforms, every conversion says, send me more like this. Even if it's spam, tire kickers, or non-qualified leads that trigger those conversions. The AI learns to double down on that, the wrong audience, locking you into a negative loop. And second is actually inside of your sales team. Optimizing towards bad leads buries your reps. They lose focus on the hot prospects, opportunities start to slip, follow-up slows down, they do fewer touch points, the tone they bring to the calls actually changes, which is terrible. Good reps churn, you overhire on SCRs, and at the end of it, you throw more money into ads thinking it's just a numbers game. But that actually only accelerates the negative spiral. Maybe you thought it was the platform and have hopped from Google to Meta to LinkedIn and then back to Google. Maybe you've tried rewriting your ads or changing teams, whether that's in-house or with an agency. Each time you had hope, but each time you got the same results, just with a different name on the chopping block. I call this the reverse optimization trap. It's like running a sales team where your best, most qualified opportunities are left sitting in your CRM untouched, while all your energy goes into chasing cold, unqualified prospects. Day after day, you're training both your people and your systems to prioritize the wrong accounts. The exact opposite of what drives real revenue. Most advertisers fall into this trap because they think tracking forms or phone calls is enough. It's not. That's why I built the Lead Quality Framework, a 3-part system that fixes the feedback loop and trains your ad platforms to find only the right buyers. Step 1, track the right data. We connect your CRM and call tracking software to Google and Meta so that they can see who's actually becoming a customer, not just filling out a form. Step 2, we optimize with AI and human insights. We feed that data back into your platform's AI and machine learning, and layer in our own manual optimizations on top of that, so each week your targeting is sharper. And 3, eliminating ad waste. We identify and cut the portion of your budget that's doing nothing. Most often that's between 15 and 25% of your budget, and in some cases, clients have recovered over 50% of their budgets overnight, doubling their output without having to spend a cent more. This is how one client scaled to $50,000 a month in ads, generating $2.7 million in sales and hitting 6 straight record sales months in a row. Another client cut their budget from $1.8 million a month down to $500,000 a month because they were too overwhelmed with high quality leads. Another client was $50,000 away from closing their doors completely and went to having nearly $1 million in the bank in 6 months. We found campaigns that had double the close rates and had the lowest client acquisition costs, even though they were not the cheapest leads. Another turned their worst paid ads year into record-breaking months back-to-back by tracking which callers booked, not just who dialed. One client saved $15,000 of their $100,000 ad budget in a single month by eliminating spam and fake clicks. And 2 SaaS clients used our system to optimize and scale their marketing so successfully that they were both acquired for top dollar exits. We only take a limited number of new accounts each month, so we can give our full attention to this system, and because we're far more hands-on than most agencies. If you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, click below and let's make this work for your business.